Rationalize the denominator and simplify. Assume that variables represent positive values. So we are given 1 divided by the cube root of 4, and it's going to be our job to try to find a form of 1, try to multiply the numerator and denominator of this fraction by the same amount so that we eliminate radicals in the denominator. So we're going to start with, I'll just write the problem. We have 1 over the cube root of 4. And I need to try to choose something so that when I multiply top and bottom by this value, we get something where we can take the cube root of the denominator. So notice I cannot take the cube root of 4, however, I can take the cube root of 8. So what would cause me to take the cube root of 8 will be multiplying the cube root of 4 by the cube root of 2. The cube root of 4 times the cube root of 2 would be equal to the cube root of 8, which is a perfect cube. Now, since I chose to multiply the denominator by this expression, I have to also choose to multiply the numerator by the same expression, because we want this to be a value of 1, meaning I'm not changing the value of our original problem, I'm simply changing what it looks like. So the cube root of 4 times the cube root of 2 is the cube root of 8. 1 times the cube root of 2 gives us the cube root of 2, and the denominator can be simplified. The cube root of 8 is 2, and up top we have the cube root of 2, which cannot be simplified. However, we have rationalized the denominator. We no longer have a radical in the denominator, so our final answer will be the cube root of 2 divided by 2.